what I could do instead is I go into something like this, right, where, yeah, I lost money in 2008 and 2009, but realistically, we had the initial crash, and what tends to happen is the TLT comes down with the market. In other words, the TLT will drift with the market a lot. So as the market drifts down, TLT drifts down, your portfolio loses a little bit of money. But if any time there's a major event in the market historically, this portfolio is designed after Ray Dalio's All Seasons portfolio, which he back tested to 1920. Again, it's different than this because we didn't have ETFs in 1920, right? But basically it's the same concept, 60% in bonds, 30% in equities, and we have some certain percent in gold, we have a certain percent in commodities, stuff like that. He's back tested it since then, and he said, well, every single time in history where we had a major market event, we had like a huge crash like that presents opportunity, they fly to safety in the bonds, and bam, your TLT blows up, which happened here.